Alright, here we go. Time to get a winner here for these winner's choice between the CTX and the GPX. Someone's going to be very happy today. We are live. 10:05. 10:05. We got the list here. We have 9 entries. You got Bruno on the top, and you got Jeffrey on the bottom. You need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 10:06. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. You got Bob on the top. We must go 8. Good luck at 10:06. 10:06. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this choice. Who's it going to be? Congratulations goes to spot 9, Jeffrey. Congratulations, Jeffrey. We are done at 10:06. 10:06. Congratulations again, Jeffrey. That's a big win. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a great afternoon. Take care.